Hey everyone! So today, I'm diving deep into IDMarkz, a tool that's got the design community buzzing. Is it a game changer or just another overhyped product? Let's find out. First off, IDMarkz is designed to convert Adobe InDesign files into a variety of formats. We're talking about PDFs, Quark Express, Affinity Publisher, and even older InDesign versions. Imagine the possibilities if you could switch platforms seamlessly. Pretty cool, right? So, let's break it down. One of the standout features is its user-friendly interface. You've got everything you need right at your fingertips. No more wrestling with complicated settings or hidden options. Just drag, drop, and convert. Simple as that. Now, let's talk about speed. IDMarkz is fast, like really fast. It processes large InDesign files efficiently, saving you tons of time. If you're working on tight deadlines, like most designers, this is a massive plus. Another huge benefit is the preview feature. Before you commit to a conversion, you get a full preview of your document. This helps you catch any potential issues or make last-minute tweaks. No more blind conversions. What you see is what you get. But let's not ignore the negatives. While IDMarkz excels in many areas, it does have a learning curve. If you're new to design software, you might find it a bit overwhelming at first. Plus, it's not free. The price tag might be a sticking point for some, especially if you're a freelancer or just starting out. So, is IDMarkz a game changer? In my opinion, yes. It streamlines the conversion process, saves time, and offers flexibility that's hard to match. Despite a few minor downsides, it's a powerful tool that can elevate your design workflow. If you've used IDMarkz, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep designing.